Hey everybody, how's it going? So we got a couple items in this small package from Amazon. Picked up a couple items for the computer as well as YouTube. We're gonna open them up, take a look at them. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Before we get started, please like, comment, and subscribe for future updates. Smush the bell notification icon. Alright, so we're gonna open this bag. I got it from Amazon. I needed a couple more hard drives for my, not for the computer, but I needed more hard drives for these videos I do for you guys. Ran out of space on one, the other 4TB drive that I was using. So don't even need a knife for this one. So these are actually newer than the hard drive that I was using. These are 5TB drives. They're My Passport Ultras by Western Digital, I think, I don't remember. So I use these drives quite often. It's just easier because you don't have to have an electrical outlet to plug them in. I got a orange. This one actually says YouTube videos on it. These two are going to be for YouTube videos. And then I actually have quite a bit of these drives. Some of these drives are a lot older than others. This one is an older Toshiba version. All of these take the older style double plugs that the old Samsung Galaxy Note 3 took, which is a long time ago. I'm on the Note 10 now. This is PS4, PS3, Xbox 360, Xbox One backups. Which actually the only thing on here is PlayStation 3 and PlayStation 4. Software backups is another My Passport Ultra. They've changed designs over the years. This one's got little dots on it. And then these three are the exact same drive, just different colors. Picture backups are red, the red drive. Music backup is this one right here. And these are all 4TB. I actually have it's a 20TB server that's got nothing but music on it. And then this one's for YouTube videos. So I do have a bunch of these, and these are the cables that this one takes. It's the old style Samsung Galaxy Note 3 cable. These hard drives usually come with them. Now these are updated drives. From what I realized after I purchased them, these are USB-C drives. So we'll pop them open real quick. Or we'll pop at least one of them open real quick. Because I don't necessarily need to open the other one until it's ready. I'm needing it, because this one should hold me over for a little bit. And these are 131 bucks for these. So it does come with a USB-C to USB-C cable, but it does have an adapter. So which is a USB-C to USB-A plug, which is nice. It comes with the adapter because I don't have any newer laptops or desktops that technically have USB-C on the computer. So it does come with the USB 3.0 USB-A plug adapter. So that's kind of nice that it comes with the adapter. You can just plug it in. This one should be this kind of, yeah, it's a kind of a reflective darkish blue color. It's actually very pretty. Compared to the older 4 terabyte model, this is a 5 terabyte model, which is interesting how this is a 4 terabyte and it's actually wider. It's a lot wider than the newer one. So the back is, majority of it's black, and then the front is the only thing that's got the color. The slats are different on this one. The slats are on the bottom half. There's a line and then smooth section. Where on this one, the slats go across from corner to corner on one side. The other side's smooth. And it is a little bit smaller, maybe 1/32 or 1/16 of an inch smaller. It's not a lot. This one's only got like 106 gigs left, so it doesn't have much space left on it. Comes with your normal packet of information and all that. I do like that it is USB-C, so that's really nice. My laptop that I normally use for editing is in a Republica Gamer's laptop. It's an Asus ROG laptop. It does have USB 3.0 ports on it. It just doesn't have a USB-C port. But I use USB-C ports, cables like this all the time, where you got the USB-A to USB-C. Use it all the time. Another thing I could use, even if it didn't come with this, I could just use what my cell phone uses, which is a USB-C to USB-A. You can use any cable to do data transfer. It is a little bit nicer when you use the cables that that require, or the cable that physically comes with the drive. All in all, it's a nice little drive. I like it. I do like the way that they package them nowadays. I'm not going to open this one, but I do have quite a bit of these drives. I got probably 3 or 4 more of these drives in my laptop bag that I only use for data recovery and stuff like that when I'm on a mobile call. But these are the drives that I use personally on the computer for backups and everything. So I ended up getting 2 5 terabyte all small drives, the My Passport by Western Digital Ultra drives, which I have a couple My Passports Ultras. This is a My Passport Ultra as well. I think this is like a 1 terabyte or something. Yeah, some of them don't tell you. This one is a 1 terabyte right here. So I'd assume this is probably a 2 or a 4 terabyte. I know all of these color drives are 4 terabytes. But just a quick video. I got a crap ton more content coming to the channel for you guys, which is definitely why I picked up 2, because I'm going to need them. Eventually, because I use my laptop for editing, I didn't really think it would be useful for me if I purchased, like a full-size drive, full-size external, with a 3.5 inch hard drive installed in it. Because you can get those with, 4, 10, 20, 25, 30, and even up to, I think 38 or 40 is the largest in terabyte size you can get before you hit, like, it might be 24. It might be the largest, I don't remember. Before you hit like a server style. I do have a couple servers. They're old. I can't use the software anymore, so it's a pain in the butt to use it. And the only way I can use it is I have to use it on the tower that has the software, because you can't download the software anymore. But the difference between these is that it doesn't require an external power source. You just plug it in, plug it into the laptop, and then it will the computer, the laptop will power it, transfer to it, transfer from it, unplug it, and you're good to go. Where the full size 3.5 inch hard drive externals, they usually need an external power source, like a 120 volt plug that goes to an outlet, and then you plug the USB cable into it from that to your computer. Most of what I do is sitting on my couch in my office with my laptop on its little laptop table, which is right here. Little laptop table, my couch. So it's unrealistic for me to plug in a hard drive on like this shelf or something. I can always plug a hard drive right here or on the shelf or whatever. But because all my outlets are actually back here, down here. But I just don't necessarily want to deal with it at the moment, and those can get really pricey really quick. These are $131 a piece, where like a 24 terabyte is like $600. So they're not cheap. You know, I can get 5 of these at $131 a piece for close to about that price. So 5 of these would be $655. And that's 25 terabytes, where you spend like $699, I think it is, and you get a 24 terabyte. And the higher you go, the higher the price. I know a 40 terabytes worth of space is somewhere in the range of $1,100, and all this stuff price has gone up because of COVID and, you know, the tariffs and the problems with getting product. You know, lots of electronic problems getting products nowadays. But I do want to say thank you to all the subscribers. You guys are the reasons that I picked up these drives, and not just the subscribers, but everybody that watches the channel. People that like and comment, people that dislike, people that you know, watch whether you're subscribed or not, people that use the affiliate links. You know, it's very much appreciated. These were purchased because the channel needs them, because I have a crap ton more content coming. The channel is now monetized, so the channel's now making money, which I want to say thank you to all of you. Doesn't matter if you're subscribed or not. Want to say thank you to every single person that physically watches the channel, no matter what. I appreciate the support. I got lots of content coming. I'm going to start using the YouTube money that I get to purchase wood and other things. And yes, wood is expensive at the moment. And I already started purchasing tools with the money that has come in from the channel. So I got 2 M18 switch tanks on order. Problem is they've been put on back order 3 times since I ordered them. I was told when I purchased them back in April that it was going to be 4 to 5 weeks. 4 to 5 weeks came. They told me that my products hasn't showed up. Blah, blah, blah. Now another 4 to 5 weeks, and it's just happened twice for the 4 and 5 weeks now. We're going on the 3rd one. So I don't know when those are going to show up, but they were bought for the channel be used with my wife's garden, as well as I can use them for pesticides for killing weeds. She can use the other one that I got for fertilizer for her plants. I got Metabo 36 volt tools coming in, as well as the Makita 40 volt and 80 volt tools coming in for the channel as well. We're going to be doing a lot more tool testing on the channel, not just me checking out the tools and looking at them and then occasionally showing you guys videos of me actually using them throughout a whole project. We're going to start doing tool testing videos. We got, for Makita, we got 12 volt, 18 volt, and 36 volt X2, plus 40 volt and 80 volt new Makita tools. We got DeWalt 8 volt, 12 volt extreme, 20 volt XR, 60 volt flex volt, as well as 120 volt flex volt. We got Metabo tools, as well as Metabo HPT. For Metabo HPT, I've got 18 volt as well as 36 volt multi-volt. And also got Bosch core. We got 18 volt for Bosch. I don't have any of the Bosch 12 volt. We got Earthquake XT from Harbor Freight. I will not purchase any other power tools from Harbor Freight. All the Earthquake tools that I have, that's all the power tools I've ever going to purchase from Harbor Freight. I don't care for Hercules or Bauer or anything else like that. Probably may pick up a drill press or something like that from Harbor Freight, but no more handheld cordless power tools. Just because the Earthquake let me down, and Earthquake tools let me down, and I'm over it. But we got tons and tons. Milwaukee, we got 12 volt and 18 volt Milwaukee. So we got lots of tools that are going to come to the channel. We're going to be doing lots of testing. I need to pick up some jaw horses. Looking for some jaw horse sheet masters, so we can clamp some wood, and I can use them for, you know, drywall sheets and everything else as well. So that going to be bringing that to the channel as well. So I appreciate everybody stopping by. Please like, comment, and subscribe as always. Please smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I will leave a link in the description for these guys right here if you want to go check them out. These don't look like... I went and tried to repurchase the orange one. It was no longer available. Same with the blue and the red. So these 4 terabyte don't seem to be available anymore. These are just the My Passports. So these 3 are just My Passports. This one is a My Passport Ultra, and these 2 are My Passport Ultras as well. But it is what it is. I can't find them anymore. I grabbed what was available, and you know, the ones I did find of this orange one, they wanted like $300 for it. I'm like, I'm not gonna buy a 4 terabyte for $300 when I can buy a brand new 5 terabyte from Western Digital as well for $131. So I ended up buying these new ones. I think they're pretty. They'll definitely come in handy for what I need them for. You know, them being pretty doesn't really matter. This drive is greasy and dirty because, you know, whether my hands are dirty or clean or not, I pick it up. So it is what it is. They're going to be used. That's all I can say about it. If you guys need the information I'm on, I'll definitely leave the link in the description for you guys. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!